Hey, Mark Testa here with Regenexx. Today I want to share with you some ideas for you to stay fit and continue to work out while we're maybe working from home, or some of us required to stay home. And so I want to share with you some very simple things and tips and some ideas. So number one of my favorite yoga workouts that you can find on YouTube is SarahBethYoga. If you just search YouTube, SarahBethYoga has a plethora of great yoga videos, short ones, long ones, easy ones, hard ones. Some focused on body parts, but she's got a great YouTube channel with playlists that allow you to help break it down really easily. Number two, if you're looking for high intensity interval type training, I really like Fitness Blender. Also has a great YouTube channel. Again, long, short, medium, hard, easy, a series of different kinds of workouts. Fitness Blender. And if you want to do something a little bit more strenuous and you have kettlebells at home, there's a great kettlebell workout. You can find numerous different ones at Hardstyle Kettlebell Pro.com. Hardstyle kettlebellpro.com. My friend Luca there has numerous different workouts. Again, very basic, but will definitely get you fit and strong. Now, really, if you can focus on just utilizing what's in your neighborhood and local resources, I think this is really an important time to support local. So if your gym that you can no longer go to has online programs, support that. My Planet Fitness here has closed down, and so we're using the Planet Fitness app. They've got a lot of great workouts that you can utilize there as well. So I would say, number one, if you can support your local workout facilities, do that. Give them the support that they need so they can stay in business for us. And then SarahBethYoga, if you want yoga, you can find her on YouTube that way. Fitness Blender, if you're looking for high intensity interval type stuff. Again, a spectrum of difficulty. And then if you want to do kettlebells, if you have kettlebells at home, Hardstyle kettlebellpro.com. So I hope these resources are helpful. Let us know how you're doing, and stay tuned for the next video. And also, I would encourage, if you can, subscribe to this YouTube channel where we'll continue to put out good info for you. Thank you.